It's like 83 degrees out today, but we are cleaning this driveway. Pretty dirty. We're not doing the sidewalks, unfortunately. By the way, new camera lens. I don't know if you guys can tell. This is a wide angle lens. Pretty neat. I like it. I think Joey likes it. But we're gonna be doing is cleaning this driveway today. Got some heavy mold over here. Look at that. That's probably right where a downspout was, or is. If you didn't write it on there, that's pretty bad. It looks like somebody cleaned the sidewalks at one point, but they didn't do the whole thing. Yeah, these are pretty dirty. Right, Joe? Pretty dirty?
Yeah.
Alright, give me a couple seconds. I'm gonna set up the camera and we're gonna get cleaning.
A few moments later.
We just pre-treated everything. We're gonna let this sit for a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see, it's very bubbly. We got a lot of stuff sitting on where that mold was. We went ahead and cleaned these sidewalks up already. And they came out really nice. It's got some stains in the concrete. Nothing we can really do about that. Cleaned up all over here. We just gotta put everything back now. Yep. Just gonna let this sit and clean everything up real good.
2 hours later. Eventually.
Oh my goodness, it came out awesome. Hey, make sure you guys like and subscribe my channel. Leave a comment down below. This came out great. The really bad spots cleaned up perfectly. And I'll put a picture up here right now for you guys. You can see the before and after. Just crazy. Yeah, beautiful driveway. We did sidewalks and we did the front porch over here. All cleaned up really nice. Ooh, it's hot out here, so we're calling it a day. Got Joey wrapping up the hoses. Joey, wave! Wave, Joey! No, he's got headphones on. He's a little dickhole anyway. Yep, but thank you guys for watching again. Have a good day.